I'm Margaret from Lehmann Quilt. Today I would like to show you how to use this template. It's a hard border, but first some calculation. We have many templates for border 5 inches because I'm sewing 5 inches border very often. I draw 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's my border. It's not 5 inches. This distance is 4 and a 3/4. So this line is my seam between this area is my border and this area is my top. This seam is like this, for example. This seam, and this I don't draw this line. This is the edge of my border and my top, this, but this line is this line. The template has 1, 2, 3 lines, and this is a center. This is my center line. When you use the 5 inches border, the center of 5 inches border is not 2.5 border, because this is a seam allowance and this distance is area for the binding. So we have 4.5 inches. I show you. So this distance is 4.5 inches, and the middle is 2.25 inch. This is a center line. So the finish is boring. For the boring information, let's get started. This line I draw for the disappears marker. It disappears under the influence of water. I'll show you how I finish my quilting, my work. I start here. This line is the middle of a needle. It's funny. So this point I started here. I control my line. Couple of stitches for start, for security, and I control 3 lines, and I go around to this point. All the time I control my line and control edges of template and edge of my foot, and stop here. We have a half of hearts. So now I turn over my template to the other side, and again I control the center line, I control this line and this line, and again I'm going to my point of down. And stop to this line. You see, I have a border, hard border, and again I turn over to the other side my template and this one, this side. Control the center line and again I control this point, is lowest point of my template. It's very important. This lowest point is I put this template, the lowest point, to my seam. And again, control the line, center line, and I'm going up. Stop. And again, turn over to the other side, control the center line, control this line. This is a middle of half border. And again, I'm going down. All the time control the edges. And again, turn over to the other side, control the line, and I'm going up. Ta-da! I make a hard borders, and this distance is for binding. So the template is, I think the template is very helpful for all quilters who love template. Now I use the water for my marker. It's very helpful. I love this marker. We have a blue marker for the colorful fabrics and white for dark fabrics. It's very helpful for quilting, for draw. This template has a silicone stopper for this side and for another side, because I use it this side and another side. So I hope my tutorial was helpful for you, and I hope see you soon. Happy quilting and bye bye.